Welcome to Just Schulte and Claire Halftime, listeners. The multiple award-winning Superior Sandwich Marching Band presented by Which Wich under the expert baton of Director of Bands, Dr. Scott Schulte. With musical director Greg Young. Is delighted to perform for you today and to continue this season's study of things that make noise. Did you know that the word noise actually comes from a Latin word for nausea? Which explains why the band makes some people sick. Oh well. Speaking of Latin, let's make some Latin noise with Mambo Jumbo. In audio engineering terms, noise is any unwanted information that interferes with the desired signal. You can break a sound wave down into two fundamental characteristics: frequency, which is how fast the waveform is vibrating per second, and amplitude, or the size of the waves. Now, that was some unwanted information. And I'll give you a little more unwanted information while I'm at it. I'm not wearing any pants. And here's some more. It's the Bristol March. Noise comes in a surprising variety of colors. There's white noise, blue noise, violet, pink, gray, brown, and red noise. They are all so named because of biases and power spectral densities or something. We don't know. The band glazed over and stopped paying attention. But this would have been the part of the show where we said, let's come together and get along and play Disney's Colors of the Wind or something.
No.
But the sheet music was too expensive, so let's just put a quarter in the band and see what comes out.
1, 2, ready, go.
Fight for Iowa till the game is won. Heaven, there is no fear. That's why we bring it. Never gone from here. Our friends will be drinking all the beer.
On behalf of the multiple award-winning Superior Sandwich Marching Band presented by Which Wich, I'm announcer's name saying enjoy the second half and go Hawks!
It's great to be a Hawkeye.